In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select seat in Qatar Airways flight. Start by opening your browser and heading to qatarairways.com. On the homepage, look for the Book a Flight section. This is where you'll set up your journey so you can reach the seat selection stage smoothly. Enter your departure city in the From field and your destination in the To field. You can type the city name or the airport code, and suggestions will appear as you type. Choose the correct option to avoid routing mistakes, especially if there are multiple airports in the same city. Next, pick your travel dates. Select a departure date and then a return date from the calendar. Take a moment to check the day of the week and any travel restrictions you might have, because your choice here can affect both availability and price. Add your passengers. Set the number of adults, children, and infants traveling. If you're traveling with an infant, remember that certain seats like exit rows aren't available, and bassinet positions are limited to specific rows on long-haul aircraft. Now click Search Flights. You'll see a list of available itineraries. Use the options on the page to choose between economy and business. Economy is typically the most budget-friendly, while business offers more space and premium services. Make sure the cabin you select matches your needs and budget. Once you've chosen an itinerary, select your fare. Qatar Airways often shows different fare types within each cabin, which can vary in baggage allowance, change flexibility, and whether seat selection is complimentary or paid. Review the fare details carefully so you know what's included before moving on. Continue to the contact details page. Enter your personal information exactly as it appears on your travel ID to avoid check-in issues later. Provide a reliable email and mobile number so you receive booking confirmations and any schedule updates promptly. Proceed to review and pay. Double-check your flight times, connections, total price, and fare rules. Confirm your payment method and complete the purchase when you're ready. Taking a final moment to verify everything here can save you from change fees later. After that, you'll reach the seat selection screen. A seat map will appear for each flight segment. Click on your preferred seat, window for views, aisle for easy access, or a seat with extra legroom if available. Some options may show an added fee depending on your fare. If you're traveling with others, select seats close together before continuing. Avoid seats with limited recline in the last row if comfort is a priority, and note that exit row seats have eligibility requirements. When you're happy with your choices, click Continue to save your seats and finalize your booking.